Do you know that right now, the biggest sports event in the world is happening in the United States? It's the FIFA World Cup, and today we are going to talk about it in easy American English. Hey learners, I'm Alice, and welcome back to ChrisVerse, your daily English learning podcast channel for real American English. I'm so happy that you're all listening to me every single day. Today, we are talking about the FIFA World Cup 2026, and I will also teach you some useful sports words along the way. Let's start. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is a very special tournament. This is the first time that 3 countries are hosting it together: the United States, Canada, and Mexico. This tournament also has 48 teams, which is more than ever before. The tournament started on June 11th and will finish on July 19th, with the final match happening in New Jersey. Right now, the tournament has reached the quarterfinal stage, which means only 8 strong teams are left. Some very famous teams, like Argentina, France, and England, are still playing. Sadly, the United States team was eliminated after losing to Belgium. Let's learn some sports words while we talk about this. When a team is eliminated, it means they lost and cannot continue in the tournament. When we say a team advances, it means they move forward to the next round. And when a match ends with a penalty shootout, it means both teams take turns kicking the ball to decide the winner after a tie. This tournament has given us many exciting moments, and fans from all over the world are watching every single game. Let's quickly review. The World Cup 2026 has 48 teams, and it is hosted by 3 countries together. A team that loses and leaves the tournament is eliminated. A team that moves to the next round advances. And when a game is tied, it can be decided by a penalty shootout. Let's talk about a few more exciting things happening at this World Cup. Fans from all over the world have traveled to the United States, Canada, and Mexico to support their teams. Some famous players, like Lionel Messi from Argentina and Kylian Mbappé from France, are showing amazing skills on the field. Even Cristiano Ronaldo played his last World Cup match this year, ending a long and famous career. There is also a big halftime show planned for the final match on July 19th, and singer Justin Bieber will be performing. This World Cup is not just about football, it's a huge celebration bringing people together from every country. Isn't that amazing? Sports really do connect the whole world.
Now, quiz time. Which word means a team moves to the next round? Is it A, eliminated, B, advances, or C, penalty? Write your answer in the comments. I will show the correct answer after 10 comments. That's all for today, learners. I hope you enjoyed learning some new sports words, along with exciting World Cup news. Keep listening every day, and your English will keep getting better and better. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a lesson. See you tomorrow with another exciting English lesson. Bye for now.